Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Unbounce, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Unbounce website using your web browser. Once the page loads, locate the Get Started button and click on it. You'll be directed to a sign up page. Enter your email address and create a secure password. After filling out your details, click on the Get Started free button. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly. Open your email and click on the confirmation link provided. This will direct you back to the Unbounce website where you can log in. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the Unbounce dashboard. From here, click on the Create New Landing Page button. You'll be presented with various templates to choose from. Select a template that best suits your needs and click on it. The Unbounce page builder will open, allowing you to customize the template. Utilize the drag and drop features to add or remove elements as necessary. In the left sidebar, you can access different elements like text, images, and buttons. Simply drag your chosen element onto the canvas to place it. To edit any element, click on it and modify its properties in the right panel. Once you're satisfied with your design, click on the Publish button at the top right. You'll need to enter a URL for your landing page. After entering the URL, click Publish again to make it live. Congratulations, your Unbounce landing page is now installed and ready for use. You can always return to the dashboard to make further edits or track performance. Explore the Analytics section to monitor your page's success over time. This concludes the installation process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.